Oh, attack. Put the hammer down if you're going to wrestle, please.
Yep. You're going to end up hitting somebody in the face on accident. Oh.
Probably Terry.
Face my minion.
Oh, ouch. Oh no, Banjo's getting in.
What's your name?
Harry Terry, obviously.
Well, what's your name, Terry?
I'm Harry Terry, the Couch Lord.
Here comes Banjo. I don't know what just happened. Oh, Jack's on the floor.
Get it, minion.
Where's your victory stance, Harry Terry, the Couch Lord?
This is my victory stance. I'm the Couch Lord.
Oh, hang on, your suit's open, son. Let me fix that for you.
The Lord of the Couch.
Turn around, Jack. Oh, yeah. All right, now go get him. You have to hold on.
Don't hold on to that.
What was that?
The beard.
It would have been so funny if he yanked out a fistful of beard. Was this the butt attack? What was that?